Morning, morning.
Hello.
Well, afternoon.
Well, yeah, afternoon.
What happened to your head?
Dad happened to
What happened to your head?
He sprayed it blue.
Sprayed it blue.
Sprayed it.
Sprayed it blue.
Spiked it.
This morning, we got up, did our exercises, and then some schoolwork. And now we drove down to Hudson.
Hudson, New York.
Yeah.
Hudson.
We passed like a million pizza places.
Yeah. So we're gonna go into the Museum of Firefighting today. Our plan for today, our plan of attack is to do the firefighting museum, to
Check out the river maybe? Hudson River?
sure, and get laundry done. 'Cause we have no more clothes left. Mom's wearing my underwear.
No, I'm not.
No, so we're getting low on clothes. The campground we're at doesn't have a laundry facility, so we got to go find one now. So we're gonna do that a little later, and maybe, I don't know, probably end up eating pizza since that seems to be the only thing around here.
Probably.
Yeah.
We're gonna go and look at the museum.
Do this. Would you make a good tank driver? There is a barn fire in town and the firefighters are running out of water fast. They need a tanker. Drive the tanker to the pond, stop to fill up the tank, then get over to the burning barn. The challenge is to make sure you take roads that allow the tanker to be safe and to get there fast. Took 2 years to restore this.
What is it? This one's a horse-drawn one. What'd you say?
3 horses to pull it.
3 horses?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like down the floor, the fire alarm went off. You know where you're going?
You gotta drive 2 trucks at once? All right, now go put the fire out.
It'll light up.
There you go.
There you go.
Horse. There you go, you got it.
Go get some more water.
Go get some tools.
What is that? Trumpet mouthpiece? When they would blow the horn and alert that there's a fire?
What's this?
You driving the truck to the fire? Yeah? All right.
We've got a fire call. Get ready and hang on. There you go. Watch where you're going. Go. Watch that truck.
There we go. Give her some gas.
Simulator.
It is a simulator.
Yeah.
Firefighting through the ages, starting with the Middle Ages or ancient times to the Middle Ages, and all the way to modern times, showing you the apparatuses and equipment that they used, uniforms, how they got the water to the fires. That is crazy. We got Samuel Adams, Paul Revere, Thomas Jefferson were all volunteer firefighters. Bucket Brigade. This 1.5-ton military truck was built in 1942. Although built as a World War II Army fire truck, the vehicle was never used during the war.
Just came out of the museum. What is that? Oh, map
It's a
of the town.
walking of Hudson.
Okay.
To walk and see.
And that was really amazing. It's huge. So it's not just this little building here. This is just the start of it. It goes into 3 other buildings. And you get to see fire trucks from like the 1800s, the early 1800s,
Yeah.
all the way up
Amazing.
to fairly recent. And
Awesome.
tons of different things. There's even a fire buggy in there that has a painting of George Washington crossing the Delaware.
Yes.
And
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas saving
Captain John Smith.
yeah, and
But lots of interactive
Yeah.
for the kid.
they have tons of interactive stuff from the start to the finish.
Lots to learn.
Yeah, they gave Corbin some books. There's
Sticker
all kinds of things.
activities.
Yeah, it's just it's I have to say I'm very impressed.
Yeah, we've been striking good with the museums lately, huh?
Yep. So we're gonna go down to downtown Hudson by the river and see the sights down there. Maybe get some dinner and some ice cream or something to that effect. This is where we're heading now, but we had a good time at the museum. I think we spent an hour and a half in there at least.
At least, and we could have
So-
spent longer, yeah.
Was it fun, Corbin?
Yeah.
Barrett, did you like it?
Oh yeah.
All right.